doing over the
Okay.
back of that car, how they kind of fell off.
Yeah. They just tumbled off in a clump.
Yeah, that's what we.
Okay, but we need probably. You want me to hold the box down under in here?
That's what we can
Yeah.
do here.
Okay. Because that way I don't have to go up and cut.
Okay. You good?
Okay.
good.
You want me to get back in behind there then? Probably ought to get.
Yeah, you can.
My job is to catch bees, right? Okay, I'll catch that bee.
You did it.
Now we want to catch them on this side.
Yeah, because we don't have to pull the frames. So.
All right. I can treat that damn right.
Now we got to get more frames up.
Can you hold it there for a second?
Yeah,
Got it?
Here we go. I got it.
You want a hand so I can pull you on up here?
No, I got it. I'm good.
All right. Ready?
Okay. Well, where you gonna start at?
Yeah,
here?
just just right. They're going. Oh, my bottle worked.
Uh-oh. You're landing on me.
Yeah, because my bottle's not working. And the other one with the good tip down there. It's all the way under his feet.
I'll get it. Oh, we got it. Here you go.
Can you hear them? They're on top of my hat.
Don't worry about it.
All right.
Yeah, no, they're stuck. Like, you see how they've disappeared? They're going up to the middle of the comb.
Which is exactly what you want.
Yeah.
All right. That little bugger's on my hat. He's not going to come inside.
No.
Nope. All right, that's good.
Well, hey,
Yeah, they're not going to fall. I'm going to have to sweep them off. They're going to be stuck to it. I say go ahead and start cutting the comb down at the top and let them ease their way down. Go ahead and put it in the frame because they're saturated.
that's what you want.
Yeah, and then when we get to the next,
Now what do I do? I can move?
you can sit the box down. Sit the box down over there where he's at. Like, or where you had it. Let him, yeah, there you go.
Okay. That's it.
So I want to take it off of the air conditioner so you can get in there? Or are we going to just hand it right down and into the...
Okay. Now, here's a key to this right here, Jim.
Yeah.
When we hand it to you,
Uh-huh.
they're up. You keep them up.
Okay.
This here should fit in a medium.
And
Okay.
this one should fit in a 9.
We'll have to cut that off to make it fit.
What do I do? I'm just standing here holding the box.
Just set that down.
Set it down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And come over here.
Set it down up here with you?
Woo! That just totally fell apart.
Oh my.
It's okay.
goodness.
It's okay.
You
Okay.
gonna be okay?
Now,
Mhm.
Jim, you come over here.
Okay.
That's
All right.
full of honey.
Okay.
Can you bring the smoker over here?
Yeah.
I'll get it. I'll get it.
Okay, this next one is full of brood, so I'm looking for the queen.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go. They're gonna stick to my hands because they're
We're
sugary.
going to
Okay, you want to take the...
Yeah, I got it.
this right here.
Yeah?
Just cut it. So go in there and put a rubber band.
Rubber band on
But
it?
you gotta keep it up. You gotta,
Up.
you gotta
Keep
slide
it up, and down, down. Got it.
What's left over? just drop it
Okay,
in
so
the
I need the
bottom.
scissors
Yeah.
over here, and the rubber bands are right there.
Yeah.
And I'm just
And
gonna...
you got 2 more frames right here. If you want to bring me a couple rubber bands, we can go ahead and rubber band them in.
Okay.
I'll do that. I had one open.
Oh, you did? Well,
Yeah,
that
they're
one's
poured
open
out
now,
right there
too.
on the floor by the frames.
Here we go. Okay, so I cut it.
Let's cut it.
Cut it right about here.
So we kind of lodge up there. Yeah. Right there.
All right, I want to cut the bee. Here, buddy.
God, that's
What
such
we
pretty
do?
brood. I don't
What
want to
nothing?
cut it.
So I'm gonna take this like this.
Mhm.
Just hold it in just
That's
like
it.
that.
That's
right?
it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's all you do.
That's enough?
Yeah, but we're gonna put
Oh,
more in
all
here.
right, all
We're
right.
gonna put more in here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, there's more already cut sitting here waiting on you.
Okay, what do I do? What do we do?
Where's the smoker at?
I got one right here at my feet.
Okay. And you already cut the fit? Okay.
That should fit
Okay, I'm
in the-
panicking. I don't know what to do next. Just put me to work. Tell me what to do.
Good job, Mr.
Take them two over there and rubber band them in frames.
Okay, we got 2 more frames. Put them in these little frames here.
If they'll fit in there, if they won't, we got something.
They should fit in the little ones. I cut them smaller.
Okay. Here, we can probably put it right back in with the same one.
And this is full of honey.
And this one's full of pollen.
Okay.
So use the same frame?
Yes, yes, we're filling full.
Okay.
And just let that. What's the top? What's the bottom on this?
Honey.
We probably use a couple of
Yeah.
More
than one. They need to become a little bit wider.
All right.
What's the top? What's the bottom?
This is the bottom.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna put a couple on this.
There you go.
Maybe one more.
No, that's good. That's good. We'll hold
Think
it.
that'll hold it?
Put it in the medium. Grab another one.
Okay.
Get this one right here.
Okay.
I've got to show you who's boss.
I am. Here you go. That's all brewed.
Oh,
So we want to open up a third one for that, right?
They're good. I got it right here.
okay, Jim. I'm gonna leave this working here with you. If they get the floating around too much.
All right. It seems to be fine. But,
Well, we're gonna-
okay. Do we put that in there too?
Yeah, we're gonna put it right here.
But now that's upside down, right? You want to put it the
No,
other
this
way?
is the bottom. Oh,
No.
this is the
Pointy
bottom.
side's gonna be bottom. The cut off piece is gonna
All
be
right,
the
and
top.
that's okay. They're going to overlap there, right? Just a
And they-
little bit.
It should be okay because one
All
of
right.
the honey, they should clean it up.
You want to grab some rubber bands? We can stick these next couple in deeps because they're brewed. Unless you want to fill that box up first.
Just make sure we got it on there.
Okay, that one's done. All right, next frame.
Yeah, they're fine. They're not really pissy. They're just.
No, they're not. I was
Mr. Jim?
expecting really to be swarmed like I see in the videos.
Can we move this box down there? That way you can stand up here and grab the other side of this column so we can pass them down to him.
You want to move that box out of the way?
Yeah, because we're gonna have to pass you.
Okay.
Like these wide pieces of comb like this, they're gonna fit perfect in them 9-inch frames.
Yeah.
But there's gonna take both of us holding it to them cut it and give it to him.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, ready, Jim?
Yeah, now what am I putting in a 9-inch frame?
Yes, one of the.
All right,
deep-
so I better get rubber bands ready.
Yes, you're gonna need about 3 of them.
Okay, got my rubber bands,
Nope,
I'm ready.
She's gone to the back. I can pretty much guarantee you she's running.
You got it cut?
Nope, I just need to.
This is brewed.
Yep.
Put this to the center.
That's just always.
Okay.
There you go.
All right.
Okay, Jim.
What, you ready?
Yep,
Okay, got it.
I got you.
Okay, and that side up.
Yep.
Okay, I can do this. I can do this.
Can we cut it a little bit
Yep.
wider?
Oh my God, this is cut too short for this thing.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Uh-oh. I can hear them now.
I wish I had a tape measure. Okay, so 9 inches. That's if this is a 6-inch blade. You want to cut it about where this blade is at?
Let me see.
You want a tape measure?
It's not 6 inches, that's
12-inch blade.
7 inches.
7, 8.
This is right at 6 inches.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
6. That's right here.
Okay.
We got a problem, Houston.
What?
I got about 2 inches on the bottom of this. It ain't gonna fit.
I just let it go to the bottom.
Just let it slide to the bottom.
It
and
will?
go-
Okay, that's okay?
Yeah,
Yeah.
'Cause that's what's gonna happen. It's just gonna slide down.
that's fine. That'll be fine.
Do I need to go this way with one?
Yeah,
No,
probably.
No, I wouldn't worry about
I
it.
would.
Yeah, because it's gonna be kind of wobbly. Okay, so.
It is. It's gonna wants to flop right out of the frame. Up.
Right here. Just that way.
Okay.
Figured they would be. Hundreds of them.
I knew they wouldn't.
Okay, next, is that going to big or little frame?
This is brood too. I put it in small frame.
In a small frame?
Yeah.
Okay, you got it. Okay. You have another piece of brood to go with it?
Yeah. We
Okay.
will in just a second. This one we're doing. The next one will be a 9-inch, and
Okay.
then we'll do another small one, just because that's about the size of it.
Alright, let me know when you're ready. I'm just going to strap these babies in the best I
You
can.
let us know when you're ready, and we'll cut you a next piece.
Alright, and let me throw another rubber band on this. And I'll be right there. Yeah, I don't think these guys are too thrilled with this.
They're really not that pissy.
Alright. Alright, I'm ready for it. Now, is this a 9-incher?
This is a 9-incher.
Okay. This really isn't as bad as I was expecting. Oh,
Yeah.
oh shit.
Whoa,
Oh
there.
no. Oh, ow, motherfucker, you bit stung me right through my.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, they're
Calm
pissing me
down,
now.
calm down, calm down.
No,
Okay,
don't do that.
all right.
It's okay.
Ow, motherfucker, you got me right through the glove.
Me too. That's not much of a
And this smoker
You're
is
a little
on
upset
the
with me
stove.
right now.
Where's that other smoke?
Okay, it wasn't like that wasp sting I got.
No, it's not. It'll itch like a bitch, but that'll be about it.
Do this, he's gonna throw it in the bottom. Yeah, don't worry about it. Let them put it.
They will.
We'll get some more.
Okay. Now this is upside down.
Huh?
I put it in upside down. I'm sorry.
It's okay. They'll
They'll roll with it.
Where's that other smoke?
right here. It's about gone.
I'm gonna get some more. These bananas.
There you go. Now put it in the box. You're doing great.
Put that in?
Yes,
Just like
make
that?
sure you put that other one in too. That little one over there.
Oh yeah, okay.
And the next one I'm going to hand you is going to be another little one.
Okay, let me make room over here. We got a couple of these going down, I guess. Wait, those go in here, okay. Ah, motherfucker, that stung.
But it only stings for a second.
Yeah, it's all right. This isn't the wasp. It isn't like yellow.
No.
jackets.
Okay,
Okay,
let
I
me
got a
know when
little
you're
one.
ready.
Yeah, I'm
Let me see
gonna put
that frame. Let me
I'm gonna-
see that frame for a second. Before I cut this, I want to make sure it fits perfect. Maybe that's how I need to do it.
Okay.
Here, I'm gonna put this in that frame.
All right, I'm gonna preset a couple of rubber bands because that makes it, I think, a little easier to have a couple on there, ready to go. Okay. Okay.
Hey, ladies. Not you.
another one got me.
Oh yeah, you done a good job. Let me smoke you down. You got one on you. I'm gonna try to smoke him off. There you go.
They're getting
Nice.
his hands.
Huh?
They're getting his hands. If you want to stop and put them other gloves on, you can. They don't ever get me through.
I've
so.
gotten twice on both on my fingers. I'm fine. I mean, I'm. This isn't the end of the world, and they aren't really that. It's not like yellow jackets that make me hoot and holler and run around like a sissy.
I think to prevent them from breaking
Okay,
in
can I
half
go ahead
like
and just
that
put
one
that
did.
one in?
Yeah, go ahead and stick it in the box. It has to keep the brood
Yeah,
as
yeah,
warm
yeah.
as possible.
Cut it smaller.
Yeah, I was gonna say cut it in half
Yeah.
here,
Might be a good idea.
and then like put that half in, and then cut that half off.
You know, short box or long box? I mean, a tall one? Tall
Yes.
frame?
Well, let me see your tall frame.
Okay, here you go. And yep, one right here.
Feel like a barbecue.
No, you're good. Okay. See, that one's gonna be too short for that one, but I think it'll be just right for the other one.
You want to hand you a short frame to look at? Hand that down to me. I'll take the big frame back.
No, because it's covered in beads. I'm just
Oh.
gonna let it sit right there.
So you want a short frame or a tall frame?
It's probably gonna fit in a short.
Okay, I got a short ready to go over here.
Mr. Jim, you wanna grab that side over there? Or Dennis, you wanna grab that side of it? This side of it on your side. Just stick your hand up there a little bit.
Yes.
Over here on the corner. I got it on this side.
Over here?
Yeah, right here.
You see the queen yet?
She's running to the back. That's rude, okay? I got it if you want to get down. I just couldn't cut it and hold it at the same time.
Hand it right over here.
There you go.
You got it.
Yes, if you look, all of that's brood.
Ow, motherfucker, you just stung me again.
They're gonna keep getting you because they've already got you in that spot.
Yep.
You could wear those other gloves.
Yeah, take that. Stop and take and put them other gloves on, and they'll stop stinging you in the hand.
Yeah. Put those other gloves on, Jim.
All right, that's not fitting in that frame.
Cut
Why?
It, cut it so it will.
Okay.
Here, is it too little or
Too
too
tall.
big?
Too big.
It's okay. I got it.
Okay, so take the top off of it, not the bottom. 'Cause
Not the
bottom's
bottom.
got,
Take
yep,
the top off.
Yep, the top's got more honey and the bottom's got more brood. You want to keep as much as your brood. They'll bring more resources.
And we'll just
Okay. So you take that chunk right there and throw it right in the bottom.
yeah. I like the bottom.
Oh, that ain't the bottom. Here, you want to take that over there?
Yeah.
You got it.
But see, the more you got the bottom, the more bees you gonna attract. So the nurse bees are already kind of ganging up in here.
Here you go.
What's that? The big one?
Whichever one you can fit it in, I guess. It's the
Little
same
big.
as that one.
Okay, I
This
guess
will
that
fit-
can go in.
This is for the big hive.
It's right here. Here's
All
a
right,
big
we
one.
got
All you need
another-
is some rubber bands. Here's a big frame with.
You
He's
got
got
the big
it.
frame?
Right
Yeah,
here.
the frame's right here. He just needs rubber bands.
Oh, I got rubber bands out the wazoo. Here. Yeah. Do it over here?
Yeah.
All right. Here's the top. Oh, look at that. Like a glove. That's beautiful, baby. Beautiful.
All right. Let me know when you're ready.
We got to the end of this thing.
This one, I'm loving how they did this right here because that's all a piece in itself.
That's kind of what I was thinking.
Okay, this one's got brood in it, right?
You tell me, what's it got in it?
Yeah, it looks like that's brood. So that should go.
Root and honey.
Mm-hmm. Mostly honey. And fresh eggs.
Yeah.
I see babies. I know.
I'll put that right in here.
Okay, Jim, no, not yet.
No, not yet?
Not yet, not yet.
Okay, all right. Oh, put that in there
We're
too.
gonna try it then.
Okay.
I think we're gonna make it fit.
Okay.
Yeah,
You want to put that right in there?
we're gonna try it.
Okay.
Okay,
That's
now
it,
we're
Milo.
getting to a lot of bees. All the bees are clustered to the back.
You have to cut it from that one side.
Nope.
It's your off.
Okay.
Now,
Hey, Mr. Jim, you want to take your lid and sit it right here in this hole. So as we're cutting off these bees, because I'm looking for her, but I ain't seen her. And I know she's here somewhere. But if she falls, I don't want her to fall down there in that mess. So I was
Gotcha.
thinking if I
Well,
put that
here, I
board
got-
right there, if she falls, she'll fall on it.
Okay, I think this one's ready to go into the hive.
Yep, put it over here in this box.
okay, yep.
Okay.
Will this work?
Yep,
Will it work?
just sit it right here in this hole.
Okay, I only got 3 stings so far. It's not bad. Want me to just hold it?
No,
And let it
no,
slide to where it sits.
Hold it, yep, that's it.
You know what? That might even work even better. Hold on. Back up a
We
little
got no
bit.
choice.
There you go.
We got no choice.
Yeah, slide it on over. I'm worried about her falling down in there. There we go.
Stay there.
Yeah, I got my foot up under.
I hope that bee's on the outside.
Y'all ready?
Okay.
Which?
Can I spray him with sugar first?
No. What?
Okay. All right.
Hey, you're not traumatized. Don't traumatize them if you don't have to.
All right. So we have another. Is it going to go in a big frame, little frame?
Big frame.
Those are all big frames now. Okay.
Hey, Jim.
Yeah.
Let me see your big frame.
Right here.
That's why I had one at my foot so I could kind of
Okay.
judge it, but we used it. All right, let's see. This one. Now I'm trying to see my mark. Okay, this is going to be real brittle right here because it's another one of those air vents.
Yeah.
So you want to cut it that way first?
Let's cut that out.
Small frame for the pieces.
You can,
I
it's
think
just
we got,
brood.
I think we got this on that.
Yeah, it's just little brood.
Yeah.
He's behind you.
No, I was gonna talk.
Sit that over there on the small frame, and I'll go ahead and cut the big frame, and then I'll let you hand him that. Because
Okay.
that's another vented spot right there too. Behind this one. It's attached to the corner of it. There we go. Slide the knife out from your hand. There you go.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Got it. All right. Yeah, perfect. All right, that's good. Yeah. Just push it in
That'll
there.
work. We'll work on the other piece to move in there.
You ready?
Move everything.
Just a couple.
Oh, you got it? You got it. Does that need another frame? That goes in a small frame? I got a small frame here and a big frame going there.
Well, you'll probably need another whole big frame for that one.
No, this will go. This will work.
Okay. Yeah, that'll go in there just fine.
Yeah.
That can go out.
They're painted up.
What are they rolling around with? Was that the queen?
No.
No? Okay.
I'm watching for her. She keeps running because she's going straight to the back to try to get away from whatever's going on.
Hopefully.
They're gonna try to protect her, keep her out
Do
of
you,
the way.
do you got your queen cage?
I do.
Okay. Fine. Fine. Really left.
Yes, it is.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's coming.
Ooh. Big or little? Oh, that's
Little.
those are littles.
Little, so we'll go in.
Yep, that'll fit.
Well, hurry up. I got
Here,
here.
sit it right on down. Sit it right on down.
Ooh. Let's not get the thing in the bed.
There's a whole nother pair of gloves over there
Where?
with rubber on them. Right here on the thing.
All I need is right there.
Yeah.
Ow!
Put your gloves
Motherfucker.
on.
Okay, that's 4.
I'm not sure if that fit me. Oh, there's a
Pardon my
virus.
language, honey. I've
Oh,
got a
I
problem.
promise you, I got just as bad a language as you do. I just ain't been using it because they ain't got me.
Where those yellow gloves come from?
Me?
You got more of those?
All
I
right, so
don't.
this one I'm putting away. This is good.
Yeah, put that. There you go.
Ah! 5. Get off of there.
Yeah.
All right.
You want to hand me a big frame right there, and I'll see how.
Wow, man, that burns. Oh, motherfucker got me.
They don't burn that bad.
No, it's not that bad. It's not
Your
like-
hand's gonna be swollen up tomorrow, so bad.
I'm just starting watching this bobbing the damn thing.
Yeah, just tending them.
Here. Big frame you need?
I just put that long off and be done with it. There's nothing there anyway.
All this is brood.
Oh, it is? Oh,
Yep,
what?
she's
That's-
got brood
that's
all
brood?
right there. Yep.
Really? Okay. Then we need to say that.
So that's got to go into a big frame?
Yep, it's for that deep. I just looked at.
Now, we gonna let this hive sit here overnight?
I think it would be a good idea.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, good save,
Catch it.
Melissa. Good save.
Got it. Here.
Quick reflexes of a young woman.
Yay!
Yeah, because that would have been ugly. That's
Okay.
too good.
All right. However you want. Right in like that.
Yep.
Go all the way to the edge.
And that fit right in that one.
Oh, here.
All right. That's all the way at the edge. Will that fit? Put it right in there. Looks like it'll fit nice. Like a glove.
Take it off a little bit.
Okay. right, I think this one's big enough, and it needs to go into that big box over there. So, here we go. Up, come on, kids. Here we go. Babies and
It
all.
was the same as the other two. It was the rest of that one.
Okay.
Got broke.
Get me a frame, Jim.
Okay, little frame.
I'm gonna try to cut as many big frames because we don't have many little frames left. We got what, one little frame left? Maybe 3 slots.
One after this.
But we're almost done. This is like the last sheet, 2 sheets.
Okay, I'll band that in.
And then I'm gonna spray the hell out of them and sweet bees onto this lid and dump them all in the box. Yeah, because there's gonna be a shit ton. They're gathering in that corner. That's why I know my queen's over there in that corner.
Ah! 6, motherfucker. Oh.
I'm laughing at you. I am. I'm sorry. I love the beginning newbie association. You're getting initiated.
Yes, I am. That's 6 sting.
Through my
motherfucker.
gloves and I haven't got one.
Oh,
You got one.
listen to you bragging.
I'm just picking.
I know.
Okay, you want to hand me one of them big frames and I'll check size on it? Those all got comb in it. There you
Big
go.
frame right there.
Mr. Jeff. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Right. Ah, 7. Okay.
Well, you don't get initiated.
Yeah, I got 7 stings.
All right, here y'all go.
Oh, well, baby. Oh, God. Here we go.
It's okay. I got it easy. There you go.
Ow, 8. Ow, 9. Oh, motherfucker. Get him off my hand. Ah, 10. Ah! Set that down. Set that down. Ah! Ow, get off of there. I gotta go change my gloves.
Yeah,
11.
go put the other glove on.
Okay,
Stop.
fuck this
Stop what
shit.
you're doing.
Ah!
What you're doing.
Oh,
Jim, good.
my hands are gonna be
Here,
fucking
here,
swollen
here,
tomorrow. What?
here. Put these over those yellow glass. Put these
Well,
over.
they're still gonna smell that pheromone
Yeah, but
from where they've been
Are you
stinging.
sure?
So
Yeah, they'll
yes,
give you a
take
lot more
those off
protection
and
than
put the other ones on. They're gonna
spray, they still stain through it, but with those yellow ones on, you get a lot more protection. A lot more.
Okay. Ah, fuck, my hands are sore. They're gonna hurt tomorrow.
Oh yeah. When you get
Yeah,
home, I suggest
yeah.
you take some Benadryl.
Look at it like this. It is free.
You get to learn. Don't you love them?
Oh, I'm not complaining. I'm not. You haven't heard me complain. You just heard me bitching.
Free arthritis.
There's a
okay?
difference.
Yes, you will. Look, 3 days after your hand heal, you won't know you have arthritis in your hands, your elbow, your wrist, your shoulder. And these
Well,
next
shit. I might as well. Let me just strip down naked and lay down on it
and
then.
these
I
next
might
2
as well
cuts are
just.
going to be
And
full of bees.
I believe that will be the cure to COVID.
Cure to COVID is just not believing the bullshit.
Well, the cure to COVID, I believe get the beast on the cure to COVID.
I think it's brain rinse, because once you've been brainwashed, you got to get brain rinsed. Okay.
So I just leave it.
You want to put them frames in the boxes. That way we can go ahead and take these last couple cuts and then
All
we're
right.
done.
I didn't band off one of them. I
We
had
ain't
to
got
set
like
it
2 more
down.
cuts. If we go ahead and put that one that's rubber banded
I
in.
can't get the
in the
fucking.
box
I
and
can't
the
get
little
this.
one.
I can't get these gloves over my gloves. Damn it. Hold on. Come on.
Now, would you even bother putting a lid on this hive, or would you just leave it open?
Honestly, I would take that screen off. I'd sit it right here on this thing like it's close to the same spot as they are. I've got some lemongrass oil. We'll put a drop on the side of the hive. They'll come into that box. Because they'll
Alright.
smell the queen's pheromones and their pheromones. We're going to spray all these bees right here and get them in the box.
Okay, so now I gotta revamp this one, right?
Well, that one, I say go ahead and put them 2 in the box. And then we can do 2 more frames. Because they're going to be pieces about that size.
Alright.
See, the bees on that one's going to get you because the other one.
Here, zap me all over my hands, especially. Get them hands.
Yeah, they're smelling that pheromone on your
Yeah,
hand.
they're going for my hands.
And every time you squish one, they're going to get more on it.
Yeah.
Oh, well, great.
Good.
I'm being stupid then, because I've been squishing them as when they whack me, I get them.
Right here, the best thing. Smoke it real good. And keep it. Just keep it.
Here you go, Mr.
Keep
Dennis.
Smoke it over here and just keep it. Reception ready. Oh my God.
Sorry.
This will go
Good
into,
thing I put the board on there. The 9.
This will go into a deep frame.
It's all honey. That's why that
Ow,
fell.
motherfuckers!
This will go into a deep frame, Jim.
Okay, deep frame over here.
Should go right here. We'll make it good. Slide that over.
You sure?
Yeah, we'll make it. And that's
Oh,
all.
no, no.
Okay,
All right, right.
all this is honey.
Yeah, all this is honey that just fell.
We have
So
to
we're
just
not.
cut it off right here. You got scissors?
Scissors right here.
Cut this off right here.
I'll slide another band on it and it's done.
Chew them out of it. Sometimes you do. Everything that smells like this is stored in the bottom of the round hive.
Here you go.
All right, I guess
It's
this,
honey
this
and
frame
pollen
is
honey.
done.
This whole piece
No,
that
not yet.
fell was
No?
nothing but honey.
Okay.
See
Um,
if we can get this one
Oh
out.
shit, in there too? All right.
Here, see.
All right. Well, we got a chunk crumbling right out of the middle. Here, let me.
That is. Now we'll put it in the metal box.
Hold on. Let's see if I can get a nice long rubber band this way, because that's all flopping around, gonna fall right out.
That thing up like that. I promise you that. There you go.
There. That's what we want. Right about like that. It's still gonna flop.
That's right. So we
You
get
know. You can figure it out on your own later.
And all of these have honeycomb in them?
Yep,
All these do.
yep. And there's a spot of brood or honey right there that fell, and all of this that's on this board is honey.
I'm just gonna put it at the bottom. I'm not gonna try to bend this.
Mr. Dennis, when you pick that box up, will you like slide over here with it? I'm fixing to spray the hell out of these bees and scoop them and put them in there.
This box here?
Yes, sir. The one with the bottom board on it, so I can get our bees in it.
Yes.
I want to take these gloves off and lick my fingers.
Here, you want to get that side, or is this gonna? I got it. All righty. Oh boy.
Getting heavy now, Jim.
Yeah, it's getting heavy. Yeah.
See what we need is a piece of tin to make a shoot out of. Do I have anything like that?
What?
I have anything like a piece of tin.
Piece of tin? No, but you can use that serrated knife.
Not-
Oh, I can feel my
No,
fingers
not-
throbbing and swelling
It'll be
now.
like a little shoot and brush a bit.
Oh, I see what you're talking about. No, we've got cardboard. So you didn't find the queen yet?
Well, we won't find it.
Probably not.
It'd be a miracle if you find a queen in there.
Well, I knew that when you put down one of them things, I thought there was it might be one of them with a weird looking bee, and they were all around it.
Yeah, if they're all circling around her, they'll be like attendants.
Oh yeah.
It's called the Queen's Court. They still on my damn hand. Assholes. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get it off of me.
All right, I say let them settle back down for a minute and see what they do.
Should we stack these boxes or leave them open? What do you think?
Stack them.
All right.
Go ahead and make a hive out of it.
Well, the two that has honeycomb in it, which stack there.
The little
yeah,
ones.
the two that's got comb and brood and stack them. The one that's
I don't think we put any in that.
Because that's a lot of bees that I've already gotten in there. But there's a lot over here on the leaves, the limbs, like.
What do you want me to do?
So I'm just gonna wait and see how long if they start flying back into the box. Yeah.
Do you need any more frames?
Because
are we good with frames for
we'll
now?
find her and let them sit, and a scout will be like, oh hell yeah, look what we got, and next thing you know, we got all of them in there.
Do we need a little frame to put that in it? That stuff.
That's all honey. This piece I claim. And see this one little piece right here, and I'll pick the bees out of it.
Yeah, I want to bring a chunk home for Lisa too.
Well, there's plenty of it right
A souvenir. A souvenir. For my 12 bee stings, that's my repayment. A little handful of honey. Could have been a bear.
They say that, but I always do one swift because swift is easier than repetitive. But I say sit them down there, sit the boards in front of it. Take this off there and cover it up. I'll get something to put it on.
You want me to get the next? You want me to get the ones with the honey in it?
Over there, and I'll step down and we'll just wait a second and see.
You want me to put that one on top?
Cluster.
Well, not right now. No.
Okay. So I'm trying to help.
Yeah, just sit that up on the ground. I'm just gonna see if they cluster up and where they cluster at, so we can see where
Where Queenie is.
Mommy is.
So we gotta lift this up or something?
Yeah, we're on.
All right, I'm not gonna mess with this box.
Yeah, we're gonna go for fires with this whole street on.
Okay.
Overnight.
What point? So one of them we have nothing.
Because what they'll do is they'll either go right back in that same spot or they'll all go in this box.
Right.
And being that all their resources and all their brood are in there, they're gonna go to their. At the entrance of. Cause see, they'll climb up the back of this to the box. It's on this round thing right here. Yeah, it would have been closer, or we could have set the ladder over in the whole catty corner and put the box on it. I'm gonna put that box on top of this one just
You
for
ready?
now and close it up.
The little one, right?
The little one.
Yeah, we're closing up right now.
Well, I'm saying just to
Oh, yeah.
cover the brood up, let them try to stay as warm as possible. All right, trick. When you put
Catty
it on,
corner?
yep, catty corner. You learning? That way you don't roll. It wasn't as big as I thought it was. I should have had a ruler.
Now you open it up, or does it matter yet?
It don't matter yet. can't tell. I know I got some on me there.
Yeah.
I'm covered in honey, so. Huh? Well,
In the box right.
oh yeah, the frames aren't completely right.
Now they are.
And see, what I really think is that queen is behind that damn end piece right there. You see where there's a seam
Yeah.
piece that goes up behind that gutter,
Yeah.
and they're all going to that seam piece.
Yeah. That's what worried me.
Well, if that be the case, then
I got one in my damn jacket.
well, don't
So-
take it off because you got 500 all over you.
Better get them things off of me. Brush them off. They are in my jacket.
Oh, over your hat too. Come here.
Well, let's walk around front.
Yeah.
Maybe they will fall.
Okay, I'm gonna grab my water bottle.
I'm
Okay,
grabbing
go
my
on.
cigarettes and this, and I guess we can stop that for now, and then